Which synonym belongs to flail? The correct answer is thrashel. Which synonym belongs to inopportune? The correct answer is unfit. Which synonym belongs to affirmation? The correct answer is assertion. Which synonym belongs to austere? The correct answer is strict. Which synonym belongs to gobble? The correct answer is scarf. Which synonym belongs to prosperous? The correct answer is favorable. Which synonym belongs to concede? The correct answer is give way. Which synonym belongs to lagniappe? The correct answer is tilly. Which synonym belongs to centaur? The correct answer is hippocentaur. Which synonym belongs to fundamental? The correct answer is ground laying. Which synonym belongs to proselytize? The correct answer is peddle. Which synonym belongs to maunder? The correct answer is prattle. Which synonym belongs to bank? The correct answer is banker. Which synonym belongs to precipitant? The correct answer is subcutaneous. Which synonym belongs to burgeon? The correct answer is grow. Which synonym belongs to husbandry? The correct answer is agronomy. Which synonym belongs to pellucid? The correct answer is crystal clear. Which synonym belongs to subpoena? The correct answer is witness summons. Which synonym belongs to alleviate? The correct answer is ameliorate. Which synonym belongs to terse? The correct answer is concise.